Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study a very short poem from your Hornbill textbook, which is known as The Voice of the Rain. Now, this poem is a very short poem and it is written by Walt Whitman. And in this poem, we are going to see how Walt Whitman is trying to tell a message through the rain, the soft falling rain, which he said that he had talked with this rain and he had a message with him. Now, I shall read the text and then I hope you can follow me here. "And who art thou?" said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer, as here translated. Now, the poet is saying that he talked to the rain. Now, if you talk to the rain, if it answer you back, then will you find it strange, or will you be what will your feelings be? Just like that, Walt Whitman, the poet, is here saying that he had talked to the rain. When the rain was falling, he had talked to the rain, and he did not expect any answer, but suddenly what he noticed was that the rain was suddenly answering him. The rain was suddenly giving him an answer, and he said that he is translating the language of the rain. He is translating the language of the rain, the voice of the rain, for us to understand, in order to make the readers understand it. "I am the poem of art," said the voice of the rain. "Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea." Now the rain is saying, "I am the poem of the earth." Poem simply means, now we are also studying a poem. Poem simply means, the words written like a song. And so the rain is saying, "I am the poem of the earth, and eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea." Now he said that eternal means something which does not have an end, which is continuing forever. So he said that forever I rise out of the land. Out of the land, impalpable means something which we cannot touch. So he said that the rain is saying that human beings cannot touch me, but every day I cannot be touched, I cannot be seen with the eyes, but every day I rise out of the land and the bottomless sea, the sea which is very huge. We don't know, no one had ever gone to the bottom of the sea. So he is saying that the rain is telling him every day, continuously, forever, I am rising out of the bottomless sea and from the land also. I think we have all know the cycle of the rain. The rain, as when it comes down from the sky, it came down to the earth and into the oceans, into the rivers, into the seas, and from there it rises up towards the sky again as we cannot see it as a water vapor. It goes up. So what happens after it goes up? It formed itself into a cloud, and then again it falls down as a rain. So that is the life cycle of the rain. So just like that, the writer is saying, I rise out of the land and from the sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. Now when I rise up into the heaven, I am changed altogether, because when it falls down, it is water. In the sea and in the oceans, we see the rain as a water. So when it rises up as a water vapor in the sky, we see them as a cloud. So it is forming as a cloud. So the rain is saying, I am altogether changed. But even though I am changed up there, when you see me as a cloud, I am still the same. I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, thus layers of the globe. Now he said again, the rain is saying, I descend to lave the droughts. Lave means, you can see the meaning of the word at the bottom of the page. Lave means it means washing or bathing. So I descend. Descend means I come down from the heaven to wash away all the droughts. Droughts means places where there is no rain. Atomies atomic particles, dust layers, all these things. I came down to wash away all these things. And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. Now, the rain is again saying, everything that is in me, when I come down, all that before I come down, without me, everything in the world is like seeds which were unborn. You cannot make anything sin, anything clean without me. So it is like an unborn seed without me. If I did not come down, even the plants, if we do not give water, it cannot be. We cannot have a baby plant out of it. The seeds cannot produce any plants without water. So just like that, he said that it is like an unborn baby. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. Now, the rain is saying, okay, when I come down, forever, without changing, every day and every night, when I come down to the earth, I give life to my own origin. The origin of the rain is the earth, the sea, the ocean. So the rain is saying, when I come down, I give back life to my own origin. My originality was there. I give life to the earth. So I came back to my origin and I gave life to it. When the rain comes, we see all the flowers and the trees were springing up new leaves and all this. And the rain is saying, I make pure, I make everything clean and I beautify it, I make it beautiful. For a song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. So in the bracket, the writer is saying, this is written like a song, for a song. After the rain had fulfilled all its duties, then it goes back, touch or untouch, with love. With love, the rain is always going to love its origin. The rain is always going to make the earth pure and nice and beautiful for us. So it goes back after it make the earth beautiful. So this is what the poem is talking about. I hope you enjoy this poem. Again, what I wanted to say is, please read your textbook. Read the textbook. Always refer to your textbook for everything, so you can know and understand it better. So with that, I will say again, thank you class, and I hope to see you soon.